Hi, this is the Jupyter book in which I am demonstrating multi agent orchestration and collaboration to get insights onto public health situation based on news and other social media platforms in real time. I'm going to use this simulated data which I am simulating here, and if we connect to real APIs, we can in fact get this working with the real data. So we are demonstrating in this Jupyter book how multiple agents which are specialized in their area. One is a data collection agent, and another is a data analysis agent which find out patterns inside the data, and the third agent does a risk analysis. It's specialized in that, and the fourth agent is going to make some health recommendations on how to handle the situation. So in this Jupyter book, I have initialized the necessary libraries, and then I have defined uh, different agents, and I have basically connected to the Gemini agent through its API. The API keys you need to attach to the Jupyter book for you to get this running. And once you have that, I have used, as I mentioned earlier, a simulated data. You can use the real API if you want, and you can see how these four agents collaborate with each other and ultimately uh, derive some actionable insights into the real time scenario of public health of interest. Thank you.